In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flowcharts in Google Slides easily and effectively. Whether you're mapping out a simple concept or designing a more detailed process, Google Slides gives you all the tools you need to bring your ideas to life in a clear and structured way. Let's start by opening Google Slides. Go to the Google Slides website, sign in with your Google account, and from the home page, choose Blank Presentation to start fresh. A blank slide is ideal for building flowcharts since it offers maximum flexibility in positioning and connecting each component. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, choose Shape, then hover over the Shapes category. Here you'll find the essential tools for creating your flowchart: rectangles for processes, diamonds for decisions, and ovals for start or end points. Click on the shape you want to use, then click anywhere on your slide to place it. You can drag to resize or reposition it to match your layout. To label a shape, simply click inside it and start typing. Use short, clear text for each label so your flowchart is easy to read and understand. After inserting and labeling your shapes, it's time to connect them. Go back to the Insert menu, select Line, and then choose the arrow option to represent direction. Click and drag from one shape to another to create connections that show the flow of your process. Adjust the arrow placement as needed so everything looks tidy and aligned. You can duplicate shapes using Ctrl-D to speed up your work and maintain consistent sizing. For better visual hierarchy, use color fills. For instance, green for start, yellow for processes, and red for decisions. You can find these color options in the toolbar above. You can also experiment with different line styles or thicknesses to emphasize key connections or steps in your process, making your flowchart even more visually engaging. Once your shapes and arrows are arranged, step back and review your flowchart. Make sure every connection makes logical sense and that your diagram reads smoothly from start to finish. Take advantage of Google Slides zoom and grid options to fine-tune alignment and spacing, ensuring your flowchart is professional and easy to follow. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional flowchart in Google Slides. This approach not only helps you visualize ideas, but also enhances collaboration when sharing your presentation with others. Save your file, share it if needed, and enjoy creating structured, visually appealing flowcharts with ease. Happy slide making.